I will first create an empty solution and we'll call this abstract factory. I'll change the path. We will add a new project in which we will create the basic implementation of the abstract factory. Call this basic. Now we will have to create a lot of files in this project, so it may get a little complicated. So I will explain what we will do. We will first create the classes that represent the abstract products. So we will create two abstract classes, abstract product A and abstract product B. And then we have to create two different flavors of these products. So first I'll add a class called as abstract product A. And we will just add a pure virtual function here called as product A. So this way we will know which product's function is being invoked. And then we will create the abstract product B. We'll create a method called as product B. Now the next thing is to create two different flavors of product A and product B. So we will represent these flavors through configuration 1 and configuration 2. So I'm going to add a header file here, and I can call this either config1 or set1. Let me stick to set1. And this will contain the implementation of product A and product B for set 1 or configuration 1. So we have the product A for set 1, and this will inherit from the abstract product A. And we will implement this method inline in the class. As usual, we will just print a message here. So first thing is, I'll display the set that this product belongs to, or the family that it belongs to. So it belongs to 1, and this is product A. So we have created the variation of product A for set 1. We will now create the variation of product B for set 1. So the class is product B1. And it inherits from abstract product B. Note that this file will only contain the classes that belong to set 1. And here we will print a similar message. This is product B. We are done with the products for set 1. Now we will add the products for set 2. We'll add this header file, call this set2. I can save some time by copying these classes. So this class will be for product A that belongs to set 2. We'll change this to 2 here. And same thing for product B. This will change to 2. Now these are the classes that belong to set 2. Let's see how we are going to use these product classes from different sets without using the abstract factory. We'll create a pointer of abstract product A, and let's create the instance of product A from set 1. And in the same way, we'll create instance of the product B. This is also from set 1. And then we can invoke the methods. Now we should also delete these pointers. And you can see the products from set 1. If we want to use the products from the other set, all we have to do is change the class names here. And we have to include the corresponding header files. And now we get the products from the second set. But you see, to get the products from a different set, we have to modify existing code. So throughout your code, wherever you are creating instances of the products, you'll have to manually go and change the class names. And this is extremely inconvenient. What if in some places you forget to update the class names? Then you will get products from different sets. It is possible that the products from different sets will not work correctly with each other. So that's why we will implement the abstract factory here. But let's see the implementation in the next lecture.